Hi all, Christine Byer here, licensed esthetician for about 18 years, and I have been working behind the chair, studying ingredients and how the skin responds to them for a very long time. And when I find a product that I really love, I love to introduce it to y'all because that's important. That's what I do, right? This time of year, with it being so dry and electric heat and heat in the car and cold outside, our skin gets really, really dry. So I like to recommend some winter products. I know everybody's seen I don't know if it's Olay or Neutrogena, who knows who it is, but it's Eva Longoria, and she's on TV and she spells out hyaluronic acid, and it's really funny. Those of us in the know have been using hyaluronic acid for eons, and hyaluronic acid is naturally present in the skin. And so there are many fillers that have a form of hyaluronic acid in them. And the problem with hyaluronic, there aren't many problems with it applied topically, except for a lot of the ones I've used in the past. I would put it on in the morning, my skin would look plump and dewy, and then by that night, my skin, I saw no evidence that I had put it on in the morning. It was like my skin looked dry. Neogenesis recently came out with their booster, and I was wondering why they needed such a thing. But now I know, because they have a special form of hyaluronic acid in it called sodium hyaluronate butyrate. And when I asked them why I could see evidence that I had put this on at night, if I had put it on the morning, the stuff stays with you. I'm like, why do I still see this? Why does my skin still look fresh and dewy at night? Let me read to you what they sent me. Sodium hyaluronate butyrate. Esterification of hyaluronate with butyric acid reduces the rate of enzymatic degradation of HA. So hyaluronic acid, it degrades, and that's why it has to be re-injected, because it degrades. Enzymes in our skin will break it down, and that's just what happens. On a daily level, it gets broken down when we put it on our face. So tests prove an enhanced resistance to degradation versus native hyaluronan. So this new molecule, a conjugate of HA and butyric acid, has unique lipophilic and hydrophilic balance that helps deeper skin penetration through the skin's lipidic barrier, meaning it has a balance in it of water and oil that helps it penetrate through the skin's lipid barrier and stay there. And so if it's getting behind the lipid barrier, it's gonna stay, and you're gonna be able to see that in your skin even at the end of the day. And that is why I love this product. This has 40% of the stem cell releasing molecules. It makes the skin look plump and dewy instantly. And that is the beauty of hyaluronic acid. But just know that not all hyaluronic acids are the same. So the sodium hyaluronate butyrate is my favorite new form of hyaluronic acid. I love it because anything that I can see still on my skin at night, when I put it on in the morning, I love. But on the flip side, those of you with oily skin, you'll also notice that your skin is less oily. And I've had people tell me this, that their skin feels less oily when they start using the booster, because it tamps down your body's or your skin's natural response of like, okay, I'm feeling dry, I need to produce more oil. So that seems counterintuitive to put hydration on an oily skin, but most oily skins that I see are water dry and oil rich. And when you put enough water on the skin, or hydration in the form of water, it will reduce the skin's need to over moisturize itself from within with its own oils. Another product that I love for winter is the PLUMP. This is really good at filling in lines and wrinkles, and it works in a different way. This is something you would put on at night. Well, I have clients that put it on morning and night, and I just started using it morning and night. Don't ask me why I wasn't. I like to try products out in all sorts of different ways, and it really does work best when you apply it morning and night. This is a really interesting product, and I have talked about this before. This is used as a sleeping mask, which is why I guess I was just wearing it at night. But this is a Korean product. It is rich with the polylactic acid. And that polylactic acid isn't the easiest to get into the skin. It goes in through the hair follicle, and you'll see it's starting to bubble up here. And this is how it works. It basically, it's a biostimulator. I've talked about this many times in past videos. It's a biostimulator. It works its way into your follicles, and it actually does work better if you use it morning and night. And I've seen this on clients where I'm like, whoa, you know, their faces just look so plump and juicy. Clients I hadn't seen in a couple months, and I'm like, wow. So yes, definitely use it morning and night. Now you don't want to put anything underneath this that's going to form a film that will occlude the absorption of the polylactic acid, which is a manufactured stem cell that they use in dissolvable sutures and stuff like that. So places where they want to increase collagen. So both of these products are great. I mean, the standalone product would be the Cavi. So if you wanted to start out with a facial filling product that has everything you need in it to look plump and dewy, I would use this morning and night. And if you wanted to start out with human stem cell based product with cutting edge technology, then you would do the booster. And this will give your skin a drink of water like nobody's business. Both of these products are amazing, and they work great for crispy winter skin. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.